You look tired.
Everybody is tired, ma.
That's true.
Things are hard right now. Everywhere, people are struggling, businesses are struggling, even customers are angry all the time now.
Do you know why?
Because the economy is bad?
No. Because most people stopped growing. You see, the world has changed. This is no longer the time where all a customer service rep does is answer phone calls and read scripts. That time is gone.
But that's literally our job.
Jason, that's only a small part of the job. A real customer service rep must think like a strategist, a marketer, a growth leader, even a data analyst.
I'm not a tech person.
That's the problem. Everybody says that. Meanwhile, the world is moving forward. Jason, AI is here. Automation is here. Digital transformation is happening everywhere. Companies are replacing people every day, not because they hate workers, but because workers refuse to evolve.
So you think AI will take jobs?
No. People using AI will take jobs from people refusing to learn it.
That hits hard.
So what should someone like me even do?
Learn data, learn customer behavior, learn communication, learn how people think. Because if all you can do is read scripts, AI can replace you tomorrow morning.
I see.
Sometimes I feel like giving up.
There are people outside praying for the opportunity you already have. People are hungry. People are desperate. And yet some employees come to work with no desire to grow. That's dangerous.
The future belongs to people willing to adapt.
Then I better start adapting.
Exactly.
The world is changing fast. AI is growing. Businesses are evolving. The people who will survive are not the people who complain, but the people who learn, adapt, and grow. Don't just occupy space. Become valuable. Seek knowledge, lead the narrative, and never stop evolving. Ingenium Academy, empowering growth through knowledge.